going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at differential amplifiers. Here you can see this is equally divided. It means this RC1 is equal to RC2, T1 is equal to T2. We have equally divided both sides. Okay, now let's look at the type of differential amplifiers. First, if you have seen something like this, if you have V output connected like this, and if it like this, it is called double-ended input and double-ended output. If you have this one is removed and the V output is connected to the ground here, this one is called double-ended input and single-ended output. And if this one short circuited, if this V2 input is short circuited and connected with this one, this is called single-ended input and single-ended output, short circuit, right, like this. And if you have this one with this grounded and this one short circuited, and also if you have output like this, this is called single-ended input and double-ended output. And those are the four types of differential amplifiers we have to know. Now let's see what are these. Let's label these things. But the commonly used one is this one, the double-ended input and single-ended output. Now let's go ahead and continue. This side is called inverting input terminal. Inverting input terminal. Inverting input terminal, and this one is called non-inverting input terminal. Non-inverting input terminal. This is inverting input terminal and non-inverting input terminal. And if you apply a half cycle like this to the input V1 input, then it will come opposite half cycle. That's it, because this is inverting, it means it's changed the sign. If it's plus, it's going to turn into minus. Okay, now this is for this. And also let's look at the characteristics. Let's look at the modes. There are two types of modes for differential amplifiers. One is differential mode and the other one is common mode. In differential mode, the V output is basically AV is gain times V1 minus V2. And sometimes if the polarity is opposite, we will also have AV is equal to V1 minus V1, equal magnitude, opposite polarities. In that case, we will get the V output to be AV to V1. Okay, this is for differential mode. Now let's look at the common mode. For common mode, V1 is equal to V2, magnitude is equal, therefore V output is going to be equal to AV times V1 minus V2. Since both of them are equal magnitude, it's going to be 0, so the whole thing is equal to 0. So the gain is going to be 0 here. Okay, and V output is 0, gain is 0. And also Cmrr, common mode rejection ratio, is basically AD over AC. Common mode rejection ratio. And that one, if here we know that if AV is 0, AV is gain, we can also say this one as AC. Common mode common mode gain is 0. So if you see, Cmrr is AD over 0, so that's going to make this one infinity. So Cmrr is infinity for a common mode differential amplifier, and that's how those are the basic concepts of differential amplifiers. And I have tons of videos on electronics too. I hope you guys watch it too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.